standard. Here we will be doing Apna Gaon. What is Apna Gaon? Gaon means village and Shahar is city. So here we are going to see what's the difference between the city and the village. In village we have lots of natural environment with fields and no pollution. There is not much traffic in the village, so there won't be any pollution, and lots of trees are there in the villages. But in city you don't find this. You have they cut down all the trees and make buildings, and lot of vehicles move about in the city. So here there is a boy by name Nilesh who goes to the village for a holiday. So let us see what this lesson is about. नीलेश के पिता शहर में अध्यापक थे. Who is Nilesh? Nilesh is a son of a teacher who lives in a city. उसके चाचा गांव में रहते थे. So नीलेश का चाचा कहाँ रहते थे? गांव में. He was living in a village. एक बार वह अपने पिताजी के साथ अपने गांव आया. So he along with his father went to the village, गांव. उनकी गाड़ी एक छोटे से स्टेशन पर रुकी. So in villages you don't find big stations, you have small stations. So he reaches a small station. अपने गाड़ी एक छोटे से स्टेशन पर रुका. वहाँ उसने चाचा जी उसकी प्रतीक्षा कर रहे थे. तो गांव में स्टेशन में आकर कौन प्रतीक्षा कर रहे थे? उनके चाचा. किसके चाचा? नीलेश के चाचा गांव में आकर एक छोटी सी स्टेशन पर इंतजार कर रहे, प्रतीक्षा कर रहे थे और इंतजार कर रहे थे. They're waiting at the station to receive Nilesh and his father. वे सब टांगे से घर की ओर चल दिए. So स्टेशन में उतरकर क्या हुआ? स्टेशन में उतरकर टांगे से घर गए. थोड़ी देर बाद ही गांव के घर दिखाई देने लगे. After some time, गांव के घर. So he started seeing all the village houses over there, the types of village houses in the village. पिताजी ने एक इमारत की ओर संकेत करते हुए बताया, यह खरीद भंडार है. So चाचा ने क्या किया? पिताजी ने so father, he pointed out at one building. इमारत में is a building की ओर संकेत करते हुए बताया. He said, do you know what that building is? He said that is Khareed Bhandar. That is a storehouse where you buy all things and you store things over there. यहाँ अपना अनाज बेचकर किसान उचित कीमत पाते हैं. So what do? They bring all that to the storehouse and store their goods there and sell all the goods there. यहाँ से अनाज पहले सरकारी गोदाम में पहुँचाया जाता है और वहाँ से यह उचित दर की दुकानों पर बेचना जाता है, जहाँ से हम राशन की रूप में इसे प्राप्त करते हैं. So what do? From the village, from the fields, they take all the crops and store it in the godam. From the godam, they send it to the other ration shops, and from there only we can buy the commodity that we need. गांव की सुंदरता देखते हुए वे घर पहुंच गए. So looking at the beauty of the village is so beautiful. Looking at its beauty, they reached home. घर के आंगन का फर्श कच्चा था, लेकिन सफाई के लिपा गया था. It was so clean. चाची जी और उनके बेटे हरदेव ने पिताजी के गांव छूकर उनका अभिवादन किया. So once he reached home, what he did? He went and touched the feet of his chachi. Chachi is Chacha's wife is called Chachi. So he goes and touches the feet. That is the respect they give him. चाची जी ने उन्हें स्वादिष्ट छाछ पिलाया. What is छाछ? छाछ is a buttermilk. So once, as soon as he reached the village, Chachi ji gave छाछ for them to drink, for them to refresh as soon as they reached. छाछ पीकर निकल हरदेव के साथ नहाने चला गया. So after drinking the buttermilk, he went for his bath with Hardev. Hardev is his cousin brother. पूरे मजा आ रहा है. As he was having his bath, cold water bath, he was feeling enjoyment and enjoyed himself. ठंडे पानी से नहाकर निखिल को ताजगी का अनुभव हुआ. So having the cold bath, he has had the experience of having a cold bath, and he was very happy about it. फिर हरदेव निखिल को अपने खेत पर ले गया. So after having his bath, what happened? Hardev took Nikhil to the field. What do you find in the fields? You find all vegetables and crops growing in the field. वहाँ छोटी-छोटी क्यारियों में भिंडी, करेले, टमाटर के पौधे लगे थे. So what small plants, a bed. Kyaryo means small beds, small beds or small plants. What did he find over there? Bindi. Bindi is lady's finger. Karele is bitter gourd, and tomato. Tomato is tomato. के पौधे लगे थे. लौकी की बेल पेड़ से लिपटी थी. लौकी is a bottle gourd. लौकी के पेड़ बेल is creeper. So lauki, the creeper, the bottle gourd is a creeper. So it doesn't. It's a climber. So climber or creeper. Creeper grows along the ground, and climber climbs on the sticks. So लौकी की बेल पेड़ की लिपटी थी. निखिल ने नींबू के पेड़ का पत्ता तोड़कर सूंघा. What did Nikhil do? He plucked a leaf and smelled the leaf of the Nimbu plant. So Nimbu, it was smelling very good. Lime smells good, isn't it? So he plucked the leaf and smelled the lime. उसमें से नींबू की सुगंध आ रही थी. What do you get? What kind of smell you get in the neem leaf? You get the smell of a neem. क्यारियों देखकर उसने पूछा. So Nikhil saw the small bed, flower bed, or small plants, bed of plants. He saw all that and he was asking. क्यारियों देखकर अब उसने पूछा, भैया हमारे घर के पीछे खाली पड़ी जगह में क्या हम सब्जियों उगा सकते हैं? So he asked him, what in the open fields by our house can we also do the same thing? हाँ, क्यों नहीं? Why not? So his brother says, yes, why not? We can also do that. वे आगे बढ़े, हरदेव ने बताया। सो एज ही वाज मूविंग फॉरवर्ड, हरदेव ने बताया, आजकल बीज बोने का मौसम है। सो दिस इज अ सीजन फॉर सोइंग द सीड्स। सो इसलिए किसान व्यस्त हैं। सो बिकॉज दे आर बिजी इन सोइंग द सीड्स, दिस इज द सीजन फॉर सोइंग द सीड्स, द फार्मर्स आर वेरी बिजी। उधर धान के खेतों में धान के छोटे छोटे पौधे लगे हैं। सो धान इज व्हाट द ग्रेन्स। सो द फार्मर्स आर sowing the grains on the other side of the field. जब ये थोड़े बड़े हो जाएंगे तो वे उन्हें फैलाकर पूरे खेत में लगा देंगे। So once it's grown up, then it'll start, it'll spread the whole field, and the field will look so greenery and it's very beautiful. वह देखो, किसान ट्रैक्टर और हल से खेत जोत रहे हैं। See, can you see there? You can see the farmer plowing the field along with the tractor, and other side you can see the bull ox plowing the field. वे बातें करते करते बस्ती की तरफ आ गए। अरे, यह आखिर विद्यालय है। So he's saying he comes to this place, this is a school. He said यह विद्यालय है। हाँ, आसपास के गांवों के छात्र भी यहाँ पढ़ने आते हैं। So छात्र means students. So he got a small school also in the village. So here what happens? Children who are living nearby come to the school. लौटते समय निखिल ने पशुशाला देखी। और इस पशुशाला क्या है? पशुशाला वह स्थान जहाँ पालतू पशु रहते हैं। पालतू पशु क्या है? गाय और बकरी जैसे पालतू डोमेस्टिक एनिमल्स। So पशुशाला is a place where domestic animals are kept. उसमें कुछ गाय भैंस से बंधी थी। So as he was coming forward, he saw a place where domestic animals are kept, and there what did he find? He found cows and buffaloes being tied up there. घर के बाजू में बना गोबर घोष संयंत्र दिखाते हुए हरदेव बोला, इस संयंत्र के में गोबर गैस बनाती है। So there what happens? They are finding the gobar. They've got a factory where they make gobar gas. इस संयंत्र में गोबर गैस बनती है। इस गैस के इस्तेमाल से अब रसोई की धुआं नहीं होता है, मक्खी मच्छर भी नहीं आती। By using gobar gas, there are no flames and all that, and no flies and mosquitoes available because of the gobar gas. तभी चाचा जी ने आकर कहा। So just then चाचा जी comes and tells them. दोनों हाथ धोकर रसोई घर में गए। So what did चाचा come and tell them? जल्दी आओ, तुम्हारी चाची ने खाना तैयार कर दिया है। So he says, your auntie has prepared food for you, come quickly. So both of them, what do? They go and wash their hands, and दोनों हाथ धोकर रसोई घर में गए। Wash their hands and go to the kitchen. चाची जी ने खाना परोसा। So चाची जी served food. खाने के साथ घर में बना मक्खन खाकर निखिल फूला ना समाया. So after this, Chachi served makhan. Makhan is a butter which was made at home. Nikhil ate that butter and he was very much very happy about it because it was so tasty. He became so happy and he said, "Kitna pyara aega." After that he says, how beautiful this village is. So this is the difference between the village and the city. You don't find what you got in the village in the cities, because city is, it's all full, and the village got lots of trees and plants with fields. Very nice to observe. This is all for now, children. I'll be giving you the meanings in the next class. Thank you.